I am sacrificing this soul for Sydney Sweeney.
I am sacrificing the soul for Katrina Kaif.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
You're sacrificing him. You wanna join? Sit.
You guys wanna join?
Say what do you want
Hey.
the most? Like I want Sydney Sweeney. What do you want the most? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು?
Fine, bro. Don't.
ಸೇ
Yes, done, bro.
ನಾನು ಇದು ಸೋಲ್ನ
You will leave and go. Bro.
ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ 100% ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು.